You can't see it. You can't smell it. But it can shut down your facility or cost a life. Carbon dioxide is everywhere in modern operations. It's essential, it's efficient, and yet when unmanaged, it's dangerous. CO2 doesn't poison you, it displaces oxygen. Even moderate levels can cause dizziness, panic, and impaired judgment. From soda fountains to beer systems, restaurants rely on CO2 every day. A slow leak in a keg cooler or back-of-house storage room can turn deadly, especially in confined spaces. In indoor agriculture, this industry uses CO2 to increase yields, but enrichment without monitoring puts workers at risk. Safe growing environments require continuous measurement, alarms, and accountability. Solid CO2 is also an invisible danger, where dry ice sublimates directly into CO2 gas. In storage rooms, transport vehicles, and packaging areas, levels can rise fast without warning. Gas distributors and industrial manufacturing plants also face constant pressure, from safety audits to uptime demands. CO2 safety monitoring isn't just protection, it's there to ensure compliance, meet code, and give peace of mind. A CO2 safety alarm doesn't wait for something to go wrong. It measures continuously, alerts immediately, and gives people time to act. If your operation uses CO2, safety isn't a question of if, it's how. Measure what matters, protect who matters. Learn more, talk to an expert, don't wait until it's too late. Find the right gas safety solution at www.co2meter.com.